guys, so I'm here in like the heart of fashion, Paris, and my very first purchase is of course none other than my favorite Chanel. And the gorgeous thing about this is instead of your conventional black with white words, it's the one and only white back with the black fonts with the address printed on it. 31 Rue Cambon. Super pretty with the flower and of course, you know, the ribbons. Okay. So it actually also comes with the same box. Once again, white. And it's also a black base as well. And she's wrapped it out really prettily with the camellia on it. I'm just gonna open it. So I actually reached the shop at a rather late timing in the day, and I wasn't looking for anything, you know, in particular with some preferences in mind. And the essay was really helpful. Like she really pulled out, you know, every wallet on chain, you know, in the caviar that she could find. So ta-da! This is the box. Okay. And it comes with this black dust bag. That quality is actually slightly different from what I got for my classic flat that was softer with the Karl Lagerfeld print on it and the design. And revealing my purchase, a wallet on chain in caviar with this gorgeous maroon burgundy color. Super pretty. And I think versus the actual normal wallet on chain that I had, it comes with this extra slot at the back, which I find really useful as well. So the internal of the wallet is the same. Okay, and this is actually my first gold hardware, but it really pops with this burgundy, so I'm totally loving it. And the icing on top of the cake has to be this gorgeous double C's. It's slightly bigger than your classic flat, and if you look at it really closely, look at the blings. All right, I've actually visited a few other outlets, but I haven't gotten another bag. But yeah, this is my Chanel from 31 Rue Cambon.